Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating concept of how the universe can turn setbacks into incredible success. A sign before a manifestation is near: loss and replacement. Have you ever felt like life was unfair, especially when you faced a significant setback like losing your job or going through a tough breakup? Well, stay tuned, because we're about to explore how these losses might actually be blessings in disguise, leading you to remarkable opportunities and experiences that align perfectly with your desires. The initial perception of loss. When life throws us a curveball, like losing a job or ending a relationship, our initial reaction is often a mix of sadness, anger, and disappointment. It's essential to acknowledge these emotions and give ourselves the time to heal. After all, we're only human. The hidden blessings. As time goes on, we often start noticing unexpected positive changes that emerge from these losses. These are the hidden blessings that the universe has in store for us. Picture it as the universe's way of taking away something to make room for something even better. It could be a job opportunity that better suits your skills and passions, or a chance encounter with someone who turns out to be your true soulmate. These blessings usually align more closely with our desires and bring greater happiness and fulfillment than what we initially lost. Embracing new opportunities. Once we recognize these hidden blessings, it's crucial to embrace them wholeheartedly. Instead of dwelling on what's been lost, focus on the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. By letting go of the past and being open to new experiences, you create space for amazing things to come into your life. Lessons learned. Through loss and replacement, we also gain valuable life lessons. These experiences teach us about resilience, adaptability, and the power of letting go. They shape us into stronger individuals, equipping us with the wisdom to navigate future challenges and setbacks. Trusting the process. Trusting the process can be challenging when you're going through a tough time. But remember, the universe has a way of working things out for your highest good. Even when you can't see it initially, there's a greater plan unfolding, and the losses you experience are part of that plan. By maintaining trust and having faith in the journey, you allow the universe to guide you towards something even better. So, the next time you find yourself facing a loss, remember that it might be a blessing in disguise. The universe has a remarkable way of taking away what no longer serves us and replacing it with something better aligned with our desires. Embrace the opportunity for growth, learn from the experience, and trust that the process will lead you to new and exciting chapters in your life. Loss and replacement can be the catalysts for incredible transformations and unexpected joys. Keep an open mind, and you'll witness firsthand how setbacks can pave the way for remarkable success. Thank you for watching this enlightening journey of understanding how the universe turns setbacks into success. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Until next time, keep believing in the magic of the universe and stay open to the signs before a manifestation is near.